Hi students, let's see exercise 5.2, that is differentiation. Make sure that you'll be studying some formulas which is related with differentiation. In this part, what I'm going to do means I'll be writing the question, and which is related with this question, I'll keep the formulas here in the right side of the board. So please make sure that you'll be by hearting these formulas, and make sure that you'll be subscribing my channel to get the balance videos. Moreover, that entire formulas will be coming in a different video. Start the work now. Exercise 5.2. Differentiate the functions with respect to x in exercise 1 to 8. Ready? Question number 1. Sin x square plus 5. So what you'll do? First you'll write let y equals sin x square plus 5. After that we'll do differentiating both sides with respect to x. So what we will do? First we will write y equals that particular what is given here. After that, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of y equals derivative of sin x square plus 5. Ready? This equals, first we will take the derivative of sin x square plus 5. We will take this one. After that we will go for into derivative of x square plus 5. Ready? This equals, see what we done, derivative of this part. After that inside bracket one we have to take the derivative. Ready? Now we know that derivative of sin x is cos x. Ready? That means what you will write here? Yeah, cos, in place of x what you will do? X square plus 5. Okay, next one, derivative of x square plus derivative of 5. Ready? That means what you will do? Derivative of x square plus derivative of 5 equals cos x square plus 5 into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square means derivative of x raised to n equals n into x raised to n minus 1. So what we will do here? We will write here derivative of x square. That means what you will write? N into x raised to n means n into x raised to n minus 1. That means you will write 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1. We are following this formula. What is that? Derivative of x raised to n equals n into x raised to n minus 1. That means we will write 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 plus derivative of a constant. Derivative of constant is 0. That means what you will do here? Derivative of 5 is 0 equals cos x square plus 5 into 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1. X raised to 2 minus 1 means x raised to 1. X raised to 1 means x plus 0 equals, now this 2x we will write first, 2x into cos x square plus 5 plus 0 means no need to write. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 2, cos of sin x. That means what you will do? First you will write let y equals cos of sin x. Ready? Now what you will do? Differentiating both sides with respect to x. That means what you will do? Derivative of y equals derivative of cos x, cos of sin x equals derivative of cos of sin x first part into After that we have to take the derivative of this inside part. Ready? That means what you will do? Derivative of sin x. Ready? This equals derivative of cos x minus sin x, isn't it? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. That means what you will do here? Minus of sin x. X means what is the x here? Sin x. Into derivative of sin x, that is cos x. So this is your answer. Let's start the next question. Question number 3. Sine of x plus b. We have to take the differentiation. Ready? Now we have to know two equations. One is derivative of sin x equal cos x. What is that? Derivative of sin x equal cos x. Derivative of constant into x. Cx equals that constant, x will be removed. So first we will be writing let y equal this given. After that differentiating both sides with respect to x. Ready? Therefore derivative of y equals derivative of sin ax plus b equals. Ready? Now what you will do? Derivative of first sin x, that form. That means what you will do? Derivative of sin x, that means x plus b, into derivative of what you will do? That inside bracket one will take the derivative. That means what you will do? Derivative of ax plus b. Alright. This equals derivative of sin x, cos x. That means cos in place of x, what you will write? X plus b into derivative of ax. If you want, you can write one more step. Derivative of ax plus derivative of b. Ready? This equals cos ax plus b, derivative of x, derivative of a constant into x. What will get? Constant, isn't it? That means what you will write here? Derivative of ax equals, yes, into a plus derivative of b, derivative of constant. That means derivative of constant equal to 0. That means we will get here plus 0. Ready? Now next step what you will do? This equals, a will write in the beginning. That means a into cos ax plus b. That's your answer. See the next question. Question number 4. Sec of tan root x. Ready? Sec of tan root x. So we need to know derivative of sec x equals sec x into tan x. Next one, derivative of tan x equals sec square x. Derivative of tan x equals sec square x. Next one, derivative of root x equals 1 by 2 root x. Ready? Let's start the work now. First you will write let y equals the given. After that you will write differentiate both sides with respect to x. Therefore derivative of y equals derivative of sec of tan root x equals. Now we will be taking derivative of sec x, but in place of x we have tan root x, isn't it? That means again we have to take the derivative of tan root x. After that again one more time derivative of root x will take. Ready? So derivative of sec of tan root x, first part, into, now we got it, derivative of sec x, into again derivative of, in place of x what is here? Tan root x. So derivative of tan root x, again one more, into, because inside the tan we got it now root x, isn't it? So derivative of root x. See what we done? First we are taking the derivative of sec of tan root x equals derivative of sec x. After that, in place of x, tan root x. So we will take the derivative of tan root x. After that, root x we have to take the derivative. Ready? Equals. Now, derivative of sec x. Sec x is sec x tan x. Ready? So in place of x, what you have to write? Tan root x. Ready? So we'll write now. Derivative of sec x equals sec x tan x. That means we'll write sec x. In place of x, what you will write? Bracket tan root x. This is sec x. Tan x. Tan. In place of x, what you will write? The entire tan root x we have to write. This is sec x tan x. This is the first part derivative. Into derivative of tan x. What is that? Sec square x. That means what you will write here? Sec square x means what you will write? Root x. Into derivative tan x equals sec square x into derivative root x is what? We will write 1 by 2 root x is equals sec bracket tan root x tan of tan root x into sec square root x the whole divided by what you will write? 2 root x. This is your answer. The next question, question number 5. Sine of x plus b divided by cos of cx plus d. Of course, we need to know some of the formulas. Let us see the first one, division rule. Derivative of u by v equals v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. Mean how it is? Denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator into derivative of the denominator divided by denominator square. Okay. Next one, derivative of sin x equals cos x. Derivative of cos x equals minus sin x. After that, derivative of cx. Cx means constant into x equal constant. And the last one, 1 by cos x equals sec x. So this many formulas, please write and keep. Ready? These are the formulas. Okay. Let's start the work now. First we'll write let y equals sine of x plus b by cos of cx plus d. Now what you'll do? Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Now derivative of y equals derivative of, we have to write sine of x plus b divided by cos of cx plus d equals, now derivative of u by v. U by v means we have to use division rule. Division rule means what you will do? Denominator into derivative of the numerator. That means what you will do? Denominator. What is the denominator here? Denominator is cos of cx plus d. That is denominator into derivative of the numerator. Numerator is sine of x plus b. I think I need to rub it the formulas. I am going to rub it. So kindly write and keep. Bracket minus. Now numerator. Numerator means what you will do? Sine of x plus b into derivative of the denominator. That means what you will do? Derivative of denominator is what? Cos of cx plus d. Whole divided by denominator square. Denominator square means cos of cx plus d the whole square. Now cos of cx plus d into derivative of this. Derivative of sine. Sine x is cos x. That means cos of x plus b. One more thing. derivative of, what you have to do? This one derivative means x plus b minus, now sine of x plus b into derivative of cos. Derivative of cos x is minus sine. That means you will get minus, I think we can write in bracket, minus sine cx plus d into derivative of cx plus d. Derivative of cx plus d divided by, now cos cx plus d the whole square. Cos cx plus d the whole square means what you can write? Cos square cx plus d. Ready? Equals cos cx plus d into cos ax plus b into derivative of x plus b, derivative of constant into x, constant. That means what you will get? A will get a. Now minus into minus, see, minus into minus plus. Ready? Balance. Sine x plus b into sine cx plus d into derivative of cx plus d means derivative of constant into x. What you will get? Constant. That means what you will write here? C. The whole divided by cos square cx plus d. Ready? This equals cos cx plus d into cos ax plus b. Now what we are going to do means we are separating the denominator. Ready? We are separating the denominators. So a is here, so I am writing the a in the beginning. A into cos cx plus d into cos x plus b. That a we wrote in the beginning. Divided by separating the denominator. So cos square cx plus d plus the sign plus. Now c will write in the beginning. C into, sin ax plus b into sin cx plus d. Ready? We are separating the denominator. That means what you will write? Cos square cx plus d equals. Now what you can do? Say cos cx plus d, cos cx plus d, cos square cx plus d. Means square means 2 times. One will cancel and the upside one will cancel. This equals a into balance. What is that? Cos x plus b into. This denominator will write separate. That means what you will do? 1 by cos cx plus d. Alright, plus c into, I think we can't cancel, so c into sin x plus b into sin cx plus d into. This denominator will write separate, means what you will write? 1 by cos square cx plus d. But we know that 1 by cos is sec. 1 by cos is sec. That means 1 by cos square will write sec square. So this equals a into cos ax plus b into, in place of 1 by cos theta or 1 by cos x, sec x. That means what you write? Sec, in place of x what you write? cx plus d plus c into sin ax plus b into sin cx plus d into 1 by cos theta or 1 by cos x, sec x, isn't it? That means 1 by cos square, what you will write? Sec square. Sec square cx plus d. This is your. Let's see the next question. Question number 6. Cos x cube into sin square x raised to 5. we have to take the differentiation. Ready? Now what you will do means we have to study some of the formulas. The first formula, product rule. Product rule means derivative of u into v equals u into derivative of the second plus, that means v plus first. Let's see the equations. Product rule, that is derivative of u into v equals u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u, means what? First into derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. Next one, derivative of sine square theta equals derivative of sine square theta, means you can write sine theta the whole square. That means what you will do? We will follow here x raised to n. X raised to n means what you will do? N into x raised to n minus 1, means what you will do? Derivative of sine square theta or sine theta the whole square equal 2 into sine theta. Ready? Next one, derivative of sine x equals cos x, derivative of cos x equal minus sine x, and of course we told already, that is derivative of x raised to n equals n into x raised to n minus 1. So let's start the work now. First one will write, let y equals cos x cube into sine square into x raised to 5, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Let's start the work now. Therefore derivative of y equals derivative of cos x cube into sine square into x raised to 5. Ready? This equals, now this is product rule. Product rule means first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. That means what you will do? Cos x cube into derivative of the second. That means derivative of second one is what? Sine square into x raised to 5 plus second into, second means, there should be one more bracket here. Second means sine square into x raised to 5. This is second into derivative of the first. Derivative of the first. What is the first one? Cos x cube. Ready? Equals cos x cube into derivative of sine square x raised to 5, means what? 2 into sine x. Ready? Sine x means x square. This equals cos x cube into derivative of sine square theta. Sine square theta is what? 2 sine theta. That means what you will write here? 2 into sine theta means what you will write? X raised to 5. Okay, that is 2 sine theta. Derivative of sine square theta is 2 sine theta. See this one. Ready? Now into derivative of, this is sine square. Now what you will do? Sine, derivative of sine x raised to 5. We got it? Derivative of sine square theta. We got it 2 into sine. After that derivative of that sine again. Plus sine square x raised to 5 into derivative of cos x cube. That means what? Derivative of cos theta. Derivative of cos theta means minus sine theta. That means what you will do? Minus sine theta means what you will write? X cube into, one more we need, derivative of x cube. Ready? This equals, now see this 2 we have extra, so we have to write in the beginning 2 into cos x cube into sine x raised to 5 into derivative of sine theta. Derivative of sine theta is cos theta. That means cos x raised to 5. One more thing, derivative of x raised to 5. Ready? Plus into minus, minus. Ready? Now we'll write sine square x raised to 5, put in bracket, no problem, to sine x cube. Sine x cube into derivative of x cube, what you'll write? 3x square. I hope you understand, because this is derivative of x raised to n equals n into x raised to n minus 1 equals. Now what you'll do? 2 into cos x raised to 3 into sine x raised to 5 into cos x raised to 5 into derivative of x raised to 5 means 5 x raised to 4. That means 5 x raised to 4 minus. Now sine square x raised to 5 into sine x cube into 3x square. Ready? Let us arrange it now. Equals. Now see, 2 into 5, 10. After that we'll write x raised to 4 into, now what you'll do? Yes, sine x raised to 5 into, next one, cos x raised to 5, x raised to 5 cos x cube, ready, minus, now what you'll do? We'll write 3x square first. 3x square into, after that this will write second, sine x cube into sine square x raised to 5. This is your answer. Let's see the next question. 7, 2 into root of cot x square. Ready? So what you'll do? First we have to know the equations. Derivative of root x equals 1 by 2 root x. First one, derivative of root x equals 1 by 2 root x. Next one, derivative of cot x equals minus cosec square x. Derivative of cot x equals minus cosec square x. Next one, derivative of x raised to n equals n into x raised to n minus 1. So let's start the work now. First we will write, let y equals what is given. After that we will write differentiating both sides with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of y equals derivative of bracket 2 into root of cot x square equals, since 2 is constant, we'll keep outside. That means 2 into derivative of root of cot x square equals 2 into derivative of root x. Root x is 1 by 2 root x. That means what you will do? 1 by 2 into root. What is the value of root? Root inside what is there? The same will write. That means cot x square into derivative of, now what you will do? Root 1 is over. Now the cot 1 we have to take. So derivative of cot x square. This equals, this will be separate. 2 into 1 by 2 root of cot x square. If you want, you can cancel this 2 into derivative of cot x square, means derivative of cot x equals minus cosec square x. That means what you will do here? Into minus cosec square x. X means x square into derivative of x square. This x square will take the derivative. 2 will cancel. Balance minus will take outside. Minus 1 by root of cot x square into cosec square x square into, what you will do? Derivative of x square means what you will do? 2 into x raised to 1. Otherwise, just you can write 2x. This equals, what you will do? Minus this 2x will write first, minus 2x into cosec square, x square divided by what will do, root of cot x square. Okay, let's start the next question. Question number 8. Cos root x, cos or root x, isn't it? Now let's see the equations which is required. Derivative of cot x equals minus sin x. Next one is derivative of root x equals 1 by 2 root x. Ready? 1 by 2 root x. Let's start the work now. First we will write let y equals cos of root x, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Therefore derivative of y equals derivative of cos of x equals, now first we will take derivative of cos theta or cos x, that is minus sin x means root into derivative of what you will do now, derivative of root x equals minus sin of root x into derivative of root x, what you will write, 1 by 2 root x. Ready? Else minus sin root x divided by 2 root x. Alright, this is your answer. మొత్తం వాయించదు. ഇതൊരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യാൻ മോനെ, ഇതല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവിടോട്ടും കൂടെ അങ്ങ് എഴുതാം. ഒരു ചോക്ക് എടുത്തിട്ടോ പോയി, ചോക്ക് അവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. Let's see the next question. Question number 9. Prove that the function f given by f of x equals modulus x minus 1, x belongs to R, is not differentiable at x equals 1. Ready? So we know that here f of x equals modulus x minus 1. Modulus means what will happen? Plus or minus, isn't it? It may be plus or minus. That means you got it the range. X minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 1, and the next one 1 minus x if x is less than 1. X is less than means negative side, isn't it? So let's go for separate left hand side and right hand side, means left hand differentiate and right hand differentiate. Ready? But make sure that before solving this exercise you have to know that differentiability from page number 161 and 162. What is the rule here? Derivative of f of x equals limit h tend to 0 of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Now we will go for LHD, left hand differentiate at x equal to 1. Left hand derivative if you take means h will convert into minus, isn't it? That means what you will do? Limit h tend to 0, f of 1 minus h minus f of x, minus f of 1 divided by h. Ready? But we know that since it is in the left side, h will be minus. H will be minus. This equals. Now we know that the function in place of x we can write 1 minus h. And we know that we are taking the left side. That means 1 minus x. That means what you will do? Limit h tend to 0. Now we got it. X means 1 minus h. The second condition, because it is less than 1. That means what you will do? 1 minus h. H means what you will do? 1 minus h minus f of 1. F of 1 means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 divided by minus h. equals limit h tend to 0. Yeah, opening the bracket. 1 minus 1, minus into minus, plus h, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1 divided by minus h. Plus 1, minus 1 will cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 will cancel. We got it now h by minus h. H ones are 1 time, isn't it? That means we will get now minus 1. So, LHD we got it now minus 1. Let's see the RHD now. Right hand differentiate at x equals 1. Ready? That means what we will do? Sure, we know that here h will be positive plus. Ready? That means we will write limit h tend to 0. Yeah, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by plus h. Ready? Equals limit h tend to 0. Now we know that in place of x we will write 1 plus h. That means what we will do? Yeah, we will write 1 plus h, that is x, minus 1. Ready? Minus again f of 1. That means next x will be 1. That means what we will do? 1 minus 1 divided by h. Okay, this equals what we will do? Limit h tend to 0, 1 plus h minus 1, minus 1, opening the bracket, minus into minus, plus 1 divided by h. Minus 1 plus 1 will cancel, plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. We got it now, h by h. When you cancel, we will get positive 1. Before we got it negative 1, now we got it positive 1. That means what we will do? Therefore, LHD not equal to RHD. Thus, f of x is not differentiable at x equals 1. Let's see the next question. Question number 10. Prove that the greatest integer function defined by f of x equals x 0 less than x less than 3 is not differentiable at x equals 1 and x equals 2. Make sure that you have to go through differentiability from page number 161 and 162. That is derivative of f of x equals limit h tend to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now we will go for LHD. Left hand differentiate at x equals 1. That means LHD at x equals 1. That means negative side, isn't it? Negative side means what you will do? So we will write limit left side. That's what negative. That means limit h tend to 0. Yeah, f of 1 minus h. Because we got it now x equals 1. And after that h is in the left side. That means minus. So minus h minus f of 1 divided by, yeah, h will be left side. That means minus h. This equals limit h tend to 0, will be getting 0 minus 1 by minus h equals, yeah, limit h tend to 0, will be getting minus 1 by minus h. We know that minus minus will cancel, and we know that 0 h tend to 0. H tend to 0 means what you will get? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. Ready? Let's go for the RHD. Right hand differentiate at x equals 1. Here what you will do? Limit h tend to 0, f of, since it is in the right side, it will be plus. That means what you will do? F of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by plus h equals limit h tend to 0, will get 1 minus 1 by h equals, what will get now? 0 by h, and we know that h is going to be 0. That means 0 by 0 equals 0. See now, LHD not equal to, that implies we'll get LHD not equal to RHD. That means what you will say? Therefore, f of x, or thus f of x is not differentiable at not differentiable at x equals 1. Okay, let's see the second part. LHD at x equals 2. Ready? Same differentiability rule we will follow. That means limit h tend to 0, f of 2 minus h minus f of 2 divided by h. Of course, we know that is left hand side, so it will be minus h equal h tend to 0. What you will get here? 1 minus 2 divided by minus h equals limit h tend to 0. We will be getting minus 1 by minus h equals, means what you will get? H tend to 0 means minus 1 by 0, that means not defined. Ready? Now RHD at x equals 2. That means we will take limit h tend to 0, f of 2, right hand side means plus h minus f of 2 divided by plus h equals limit h tend to 0. What you will get here? This part you will be getting 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 by h equals limit h tend to 0, 0 by h. 0 by h means we will get 0. See now what you got? Therefore LHD, therefore LHD not equal to RHD. That means what you will say? Thus f of x is not differentiable at x equal to 2. So please wait for the next exercise in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel.